Hi, welcome back. Another important session. It's the remaining part by using nace. So let's try to concentrate delivery output and billing output. Probably I would like to see this one now. Okay, quickly. Let me share my screen. Let's go to SPRO. So otherwise do one thing. Let's try to do this by using nace transaction quickly, faster. So don't miss the first part. I have given explanation about output type, fields and everything. So this is a little faster mode. So if you watch part one, you can able to follow up. Okay, this is shipping basically. Here what I would like to do is, so let's select the output type. Okay, standard, there is something called LD00. Okay, this is for delivery note. Probably like, you can able to define your own output also. So let's try to make a change mode. It's simple. It follows the same condition technique here. Let's copy here. So probably, so GDLV I'm just doing. Okay. So this is, I can say that shipping notice, just changing the text. Okay. So copy all. So let's try to use the same access sequence. Let's click here. So if you look at this default values, I'll just try to use it. This is send immediately and print out here partner function. This is fine. And there is no special control here. So let's go to the processing routines. So this use the standard. Let's try to check here. Printout and external send is also there. Partner functions. Let me try to, okay. So this is basically for print. Let me try to add one more. Okay. This is for external send. Let's keep it. If possible, let's try to check in future email configuration. Okay. So let's try to do it faster. So this is the place only takes. So just press your enter key or else you can tap it also. Let's try to configure all SAP script text tables at the backend. Okay. So this, why we're doing this, I have already gave explanation about this one. Okay, let's check this another few seconds. Even I can able to use standard also. Okay, so this is all about, this is the form routine and this is the one. Okay, that's fine. GDLV. So let's try to select this again one more time. Output, I'm just using existing access sequence. Let's go to the procedure. So let's create a new entries, or else before that, let's try to check standard. Okay, header level and item level also we can able to do it. Okay, this is what it is there. So let's try to check. Go to the new entries, GDLV notification. Okay, shipping notify. I'm just giving the name. Press enter. Let's select this. Okay, so go to the steps. So let's go for this. Okay, I'm just taking this one. If really want to, you can able to assign uh, your routine also. So delivery after goods issue posted only, if you would like to generate it, you have to select this one. Okay, so if you want, you can able to check that one. Let's keep it like this, and probably let's keep it this one, this routine. Okay, so now go to what I would say OVLK. So probably this is my delivery type. Okay, Now if you look at here, okay, let's do one thing. Let's go to SPRO, reference IMG. Anyhow, we have to come to this place for assigning output here. Let's go to the shipping. In this, basic shipping functions. Okay, let's come here, output control. We have done our maintain output determination for outbound deliveries. Okay, assign output determination procedure. Okay, let's try to assign for header this one. So let's go to DLF. So G star. Okay, I'm just assigning this one and GDL. Okay, let's save this. So output records VV. Actually, where exactly it is there slash n. Okay, anyhow, VV21. This is for delivery. Okay, you can able to see this. This is GDLV. So let's D or S1 is my shipping point. Press enter. So by default, these values, what it will get, I have already explained. Let's double click here. Simply, let's choose the output. Let's take printouts and print immediately. Let's save this. Okay. So let's try to create order quickly. Okay. Shipping out. Okay. So let's press enter. So now this is the output we have already seen in first part with the detailed explanation. Okay. Let's save this. So now let's try to do the delivery now. So DRS1 I have maintained. So let's try to check this one up. That's okay. So someone is keep on changing this one. Availability check. DR P1. Okay. Let's go for sale. So RAM and this is TI distributors. So let's save this. So someone making this is the default. Don't worry, you will not get this issue on your system. So this one I'll just change it to standard. Actually, someone might be changing at item category level. That's why we're getting this one. It doesn't have any definition. What he's testing, we don't know. So now quantity is copied. This is fine. Let's come to the picking. So now go to the extras, and this is the delivery output we just maintain in header. Nothing is came, right? So let's try to check on PZA. Oh, it has a posting period issues. Uh, let's do one thing. MMPV. So DRT1. So this is DRT1. So what is the period? This is for 01 2025. All good. Try one more time. VL01N. Okay. Let's go and check extras first. Delivery output header. So it's not appeared. Let's try to check. So now go and check header one more time. So let's do the PCA. Now go to the display mode and let's try to issue delivery output. Okay, it's not selected. So that means let me check what is the Delivery type here, probably ours is different. Go to the administrative data, and this is LF, so that's why it is not triggered. So let's go to the VV22. Okay, so let's try to change. Okay, I have forgotten to maintain output determination for DLF. I maintained, right? This is the issue with output determination assignment. It do happens. It's been a long time I have opened my delivery screen. So let's go to the shipping quickly, deliveries, and let's come to, where is this one? Okay, so assign output determination procedure. Let's go to, let's try to check, not allow. Okay, this do happens. So let's assign this, not LD00, GDLV. Okay, anyhow, that is at shipping point level, not even delivery type. If you want, you can able to take other key combinations also. So now let's check VL0 to N. Go to extras, header. See, this is what it is happened, right? Let's select this. Okay, so let's select this. Sorry. So further data, you can able to see this send immediately. If I save this one more time, it will work for you. Okay. So now go to delivery output and issue delivery output, outbound delivery. So let's check the print preview. Okay. So now you can able to see this. This is IDS holding AZ. Some logo is coming. Okay. So this is, see, when I repeated, it is coming as a repeat printout. Why? Because first time it is not configured. So now you can able to see this shipping conditions and your incoterms or your material and everything is get copied. So let's try to create one more time. Okay. So let's try to do the delivery from here quickly. So let's go on extras and check. So it's not at appeared. So let's try to on PCA. Actually, it's supposed to come. Actually, that's what I feel. So let's try to check one more time. Okay. Let's try to do the PCI. Okay. Now go to VL03N. Okay. So first we'll check delivery output. Then we go inside. See. So because of routine one. Okay. You might have entry question on this. Just try to check some basic output routines. It will be helpful to you. Maybe you can able to assist your evapor also. Okay. So on delivery save only if you want it, you can able to remove that output and you can able to check it. Okay. So just go and check the output. It is what, this is what it is got triggered actually. Okay. So the same story. So here I need not show, I have already explained about uh, what is repeat output and what is further data, everything I have explained in my previous video. Okay. So I would request, what is that? Don't miss this part. Okay. This premiere actually it is happening now. Don't miss this part. You will get every detailed of output type definition and related to some lengthy discussion over there. This is just I'm running since if you know about the first part, it is easy to run the second part. Okay. So now let's go to, let's try to do it for billing also. So let's go for nace. It's easy. Okay. So what is the application for billing? This is V3. In the similar way, you can able to do it for transport and other things also. So maybe I can do like this. Otherwise, We'll take our combination. No, not required. I'm just using the standard only. Okay, V3 is the application. So as I said that RD, RD00 for invoice. You can able to see this. So this is side means intercompany stock transfer. So RD03 it is not there. How come? Okay. So anyhow, no problem. Cash sales invoice, that is. Let's copy this one. Let's go to the change mode. So just copy this one. So I can able to use the same thing for me. So here default values, here it is bill to party. If you want, you can able to use pair also. Let me try to make it pair otherwise. So JAD SBL, JAD ZB, ZRD. I'll go for ZRD1. You can give any name, that doesn't matter. So invoice print. Okay. So this is about default values. So all the sales organization print parameter also, if you want, you can able to change it. Processing routines. This is the program. Okay, which supposed to access. This is form printout. Okay. Here fax, I don't want it. Generally, we don't use it, and this I don't use it. Let's see in future if any other thing. Let me try to copy this one. So like, let it get copy. It is always advisable to copy from standard actually, so that background, whatever the script related text or language, it will be copied. So go to the partner functions. Okay, this I don't want it, this I don't want it. Let me put one more. Maybe I can use it in future for external send. Let's put it pair. Oh my god, BP. Let's put it. So if you wanted to give, you can able to give multiple partners also. No one is going to stop you out. Okay. So go to the procedure. So here standard, I would like to show you invoice and invoice list. These are the different routines you have. So 62. Okay. So release for posting. We will test this one. Okay. So it is something important for you because project, it has a frequency to use. So let's go for this. JAD bill, JAD bills. Okay. Let me put it INV, invoice output. Select this, new entries, 10, GRD1. I'll show you few other things. Okay. Uh, I'll check both the options, requirement and manually here. And let's go to Vivo FA. So mine is F2. Okay. So if you want, you can able to assign here also in G bills I'm assigning. Okay. For the time being. So VF01, let's go. Press enter. So I haven't maintained output record. You will not find any output here. Okay. So let's try to go to VV 31, 32, 33 is for your billing. So here customer, okay. Let me try to, I can able to take, so 31 in the similar way for 32. So in the similar way for 33. So even I can able to maintain more generic to more specific. I have explained in first session. Okay. Default medium what it is talking about. One is printout and the default it is coming periodic job. This we have already seen. I'm just changing manually. If you want in configuration, you can able to maintain this as a default. So press here. Let's save this. I have forgotten to maintain for other two VV32 Gerald D1. So otherwise, why we have to worry about this one? So anyhow, VF01, what is that? So this is F2, right? So let's do one thing. We SPRO reference IMG. So let's go for sales and distribution, basic functions, and go for output control, and here output determination. Okay, so go for billing document. So let's try to check any other available at more generic. More generic, what is that? 008 for billing type. This is simple. What we can able to do is maybe go to output types. So ZDR1. Okay, let's click this. Ours is what? 0004 access sequence. Go to access sequence. So most of the times, more generic ones people are using. Okay, so let's go for 20. This is 00. Okay, only billing type level we can able to do it if I want. If it is misses, it will go for this. Let's put it exclusion. Okay, so that all good. Now go to VV 31 again. If I press enter, I got another key combination. Simply, I will maintain for F2 so that it will work for all customers, right? You can able to maintain how many messages you want. Let's keep this one up. So let's go for header and output. Now you can able to see this. If I select and check the information. So this is, so first one we maintained a condition record, sales organization customer key combination. That's why it is excluded other one. So let's save this. Okay. Now go to VF02. Let's try to check the output, standard output program. So let's click on print preview. Select. So it is processed, right? So now you can able to see this again. If it is SAP trademark logo is coming, and this is the address. Okay, company address came. So I told you, right, different requirements will be there here. Delivery note and date and order. It is got copied. Customer number. Okay, you got the value here, and whether it is qualified for cash discount or not, also it is getting here. This is fine. So you can able to do the developments accordingly. I'll try to explain you one session how we can able to take output requirements. Okay, so this is fine. So now let me try to create one more. Before that, I would like to show you one thing. Okay, nace. So what is that? Ours is billing. Go to the procedure. So here, if I select this G bills, let's assign routine number 62. So what it is all about. Okay. So let me take one more session. So press enter. So let's try to save this. So now go to VL01N, press enter. Okay. Let's do the PCI. Let's click on VF01. Let me try to do one thing. So maybe I can go to conditions. Mm, let's do one thing. Maybe let's keep it to 2016. I'm just changing the billing date in a header. And let me try to make it this one as blank. Any what I can able to do it. Let me go to the item. I just made a couple of changes and I'll tell you what I'm going to do is. So here comes conditions. Maybe I can try to save this. Let's see this. If it is saved, then see now no journal entry got created. Okay, let's try to check our luck. So let's try to release it. Definitely it will throw an error because posting period error. I made it this one intentionally. Why? Because so I would like to show you. You see this? No output generated because if posting, if it is released, if there are no errors, okay, what it talks about 62. Let me show you here. Routine number 62. Billing document released for posting, then only it will work for you. Okay, that's what this is very one of the important routine in standard actually output. So the people thinking that output is just easy, just configuring with this one like it's good only, it's easy only, but that still it has also challenging requirement, depends on the customer what you are handling. Okay, so this is what it is going to check. Header pricing all items, financial accounting paused or not. If it is not paused, it will not work for you. Okay, so I think this is a different learning for you. Okay, so it is a indirect way. For example, if account determination is not configured, so if you'd like to check billing in real time, you can remove this routine. Okay, and you can test it so that it will be passed. So let's remove this one as of now. Okay, and let's try to come back. Okay, let's go to VF02 now. Again, let's check, otherwise it will work. Oh god, I typed wrong thing. Okay, no issues. Sometimes that's okay. VF02 I have typed it wrongly, no problem. Let's press enter. Now 62 routine is not there. Go to header and check output. See, now output is available. If I save this, it will be saved actually. Okay, so this is what all about, like, output will be generated. Okay, it will be posted. Okay, if I save this, it will be it will be green, since output is not released, but still it will be green. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go to the VF02. So when I try to release this, okay, so even your r- billing is not released also, not successful also, it will work for you. Okay, so that's what the 62 routine is all about. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, so anyhow it is not allowing me to save. One second. So for example, if I save this, so let's go check. Where is this? I forgot. I just opened another one. Output appeared, right? One second. Okay. So now it is saved. See, output triggered. Even accounting doc failed also. Okay. Oh, God. Okay. This is what it happens if I assign, if I don't assign 62. Okay. In the similar way, if I assign 62, okay, I already shown you and previously. Let's do the cancellation. I don't want to repeat the same thing. VF03. Go here, document flow. So let's take the same outbound delivery. Okay. Now let's try to do the repeat the story with 62. Now, so this is fine. Like, uh, so I'll just save this on save. So now it is, since it is saved. So if my billing document is released, right? Accounting document generated. So we go and check output. Output also, let's go inside and let's check this. Since we played with this, okay, it is taking time. So let's do one thing. Let's try to create a cycle. Since 62 assigned, right? Did I select manual or what? One second. That also will test it now. If it is not selected, let's check that one also. Just simply run this OTC. Now let's go and check header output. Okay, it is not available. Let's save this. Now go on header and check. How come this is not coming? Oh, still it is happening. Let me check this. I have selected with 62, right? Previously it worked. I don't know. Output is not triggered. System is a bit slow. Output got triggered with 62 routine. So let's try this on your system. Thank you. Thanks for joining the session. So let me check if any possibility is there, any other routine. At invoice level. This is what our output procedure 62. So a few other things will be there like dunning. So intercompany related billing, billing with invoice list. Let me check. So if a billing document incomplete also, you can check this one. It will not generate. You can try on your own. I cannot able to do everything. Okay, let's take out this. Let's do one thing. Let's put it manual. Okay. So if it is manual, it is not picking through your condition record basically. Let's try to run one more cycle. So let's try to, okay, let me try to do the delivery first. And let's do the VLPOD. For this customer, VLPOD is there. So now if you go and check the billing, go to the header and try to go to the output. So when I say it's manual, it is always manual. Go to the information. So manual output, that's what it is showing, right? So just enter manually. Okay. So this is also 1% chance will be there for requirements, manual output. Whenever they want it, they will enter and they will do that. Why? Because it is required like after document posted. So like go to the change mode. Okay. Maybe offline, they will have some activities in real time. Then they can come back and they will try to trigger one or two output types manually. It do happens. Okay. I cannot able to explain the exact context. See, now processing status is fine. It is got triggered. Okay. Same story. For requirements, probably like you just have to check the field logic and other logics. I have extensively worked on output determination also. Let's catch up in next session. Okay. Don't miss this session. This is part one. That is part two on conclusion. And if you really want, you can able to try my Udemy courses. I'm just providing those links below of this video. So currently I'm holding 8,128 students and 1,483 reviews. Successfully, it is more than 4 plus rating on oral courses. I'm just trying to add both parts here for classic determination and new output determination also it is available. This is my full-fledged S4 HANA course in simple English with practicals. Currently it is holding 276 lectures with 83 hours. I haven't added my classical output determination. It might be goes to close to 85 hours. If you really want, you can able to try. I have other set of courses. This is for standard interview questions, and when it comes to this is for advanced concepts. These two for your incident management, for support project learning, and apart from that, so this course specifically for idocs, you can able to see idoc EDA output determination here. Okay, so sales order acknowledgement and delivery and billing, all outputs I have triggered. Probably I'll try to add a few more things in future. This is for getting master to write functional specific. Now these two are pricing courses. You can give it a try. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.